Just a quick update on the Multicomp Pro solder station that was bought, and I can't remember how many months ago it is. I'll look that up and look at my first video on it. And first real issues are arising, and that's with the tweezers, as you would expect. You can probably see, where are we? Turn this screen a fraction, I can't see what I'm showing you. If you look at the tweezer tips, they are now showing quite a lot of wear. What happened today was I'm forever grabbing the tip and turning it, and what I didn't realise is that the quite poor and cheap design inside, and what I noticed today was I was not moving the tip, I was actually moving the whole heating element, and it had come out too far, and what had happened then is it broke one of the sensor wires off inside, and of course you were getting the error coming up on the screen. But I'll just show you what's inside these. Now there are some very thin covers, just sort of flimsy plastic covers, which I think I've just slung in the bin. But what has happened is there are two wires. Oh God, I don't know whether this is going to focus. You see the metal tubes coming down. That bottom one now has got some wire wrapped around it, and I've soldered the bare wire, which is one of the sensor wires, to that. Well, it's part of the sensor circuit. You can see on the one above. And it's actually spot welded to that steel tube. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any spot welding equipment. I considered it, but I don't think I've got anything. May have bought something years ago that I never made that needed to be connected to a battery. Now, if you haven't got any spot welding facilities, then all I could come up with was getting a copper wire, stranded wire, wrapping it round, just soldering it so it's got a maximum contact area. Obviously it's not soldered to the steel, and then just soldered that wire onto it. But the fact that that heating tube can just slide up and down there, I mean, it's a bit of a grotty design, but that saved them for a little bit longer. Like I say, I'm forever tweaking these now because they either don't join up properly, or I can't see one of them on the microscope properly because it's straightened up a little bit, but it's probably about right at the moment. I've got another new pair, so we've got a spare if we need to, but for the moment I'll keep continuing with these.